Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to change clothes in Heygen. So you can actually now replace the clothes that are on default avatars and you can change it to something different, if not your desired choice, but you have a couple of options to choose from in Heygen. So you can see we are inside now our editor. We have our script on the left side which we can add, and right here you can see our avatar. Let's just change his look. So you can head over to top menu and click on looks. You can see we have multiple options to choose from for his clothes. We can go with this one. So this is the standing pose. Let me just zoom in so you can see much more clearly. And this is how our avatar looks. So you can simply adjust it according to your liking. Okay, so this is how you actually do it. So make sure to grab these corner handles and adjust it accordingly. Now you can also change it to anything else if you are interested. Like for example, you can see we have this sitting pose. We can also add a sitting pose just like that. By the way, again, remembering you guys that you can head over to the link in the description to get 2% off. That will be unlocking even more features. So this is how you can change clothes inside Heygen. I hope this helps and see you in the next video.